Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about cropping image in MS Word. After watching this video, you will be able to crop your image in circular shape in Microsoft Word. If you still have any question after watching this video, you can ask me in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's start the step-by-step procedure. First, open MS Word. Go to Insert tab. Click on Picture. Open the image you want to crop. Select the image. Click on Crop. Click on Crop to Shape. Set the shape in which you want to crop. Now click on Crop. Crop your image. After cropping your image, press left click. I hope you will learn and will be able to crop your image. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.